When Manohar Parrikar-led Bharatiya Janata Party took over the reins of the state early 2012, it found itself in a sticky situation with the medium of instruction issue. The Forum of Rights to Children Education held an executive meeting on Monday to find a solution to the problem. Speaking with media persons, the forum said that they are giving the government until 29th of July to formulate a committee to resolve the issue once and for all. They also demanded the inclusion of at least 3 force members in the committee, and the issue should be resolved by 30th September.
We call all the parents we can gather, nothing less than 30,000-40,000 parents at any given time. But you all are representing the other parents who are there outside. So we are only the executive members of each and every school. The government basically warn them that don't put any rubbish in that committee. We don't want any rubbish in that committee. We want people who are passionate about education, are passionate about their children, and who understand the problems of the children. So when the committee forms, we will scrutinize the names. We will see who are in the committee. Immediately we'll call our executive committee member, our executive committee meeting, and then we will decide on who are there and what is their contribution towards education. Each and every one, what is their contribution towards the education, and then we will point out that these are the guys who are of shady character, who are put here to destroy the decision. We will make an announcement to that. Is it okay? Thank you very much. Second thing is, when this committee, if the government decides that okay, this committee will be formed before that date, then we scrutinize that. So if we don't have to call for another general body meeting to decide on the date of giving the government the time frame for the committee. 10th of July, at that time he says it would be like 3 months. You understood? So we don't consider today's deadline. We consider that statement that was made at that day. If we consider that, by end of September we should be sufficiently able to achieve this. Till we achieve the last, from our commitment, I can give you guarantee that our members, executive members of force, which you all have selected and elected, will stand by you all till we achieve the last. But we want a commitment from you all also that you all will be there.
By the parents of Goa and force that we should set a deadline for the government. 29th is the deadline set for formation of the committee. Another resolution passed is that 3 members minimum from force have to be there, and the committee is given time till 30th September to conclude with the findings and the suggestions on the MOI issue.
Is the 29th years given for the government?
For the committee formation.
If your demand is not met, then
we will discuss the plan of action, and then we'll inform you also, and we'll inform the parents how to go about with it.